everyone. Thanks for coming to story time. Today we have a wonderful book. Look, it's got a puppy on it. I wonder what happens in the story. Today's story is called Ready or Not, Here Comes Scout by Jill Abramson and Jane O'Connor. Hello, my name is Scout, and this is Baby, my best friend in the world. We are both puppies, only I'm real and Baby isn't. We do everything together. Baby sure loves a good mud bath. Ooh, guess what? Today we're going to the park because I'm big enough now for real friends. My human thinks we should leave Baby home because she might get lost. No way, not a chance. Where I go, Baby goes too. I've never seen so many dogs. I'm going to be friends with all of them. Every single one. Oh, a puppy pool. And it looks like there's room for one more. Ready or not, here I come. Oh, wow, look at that huge splash. Oh my gosh, look at Baby's face. Uh-oh. It turns out not all dogs like splashing. I never knew that. Oh! See those two dogs playing tug of war? I know a game that's way more fun. Ready or not, here I come. I grab the rope away. Chase me! What? I have to give back the rope? How come? I was just trying to be friends. Oh, isn't that little bitty dog the cutest thing ever? I give her a great big kiss, smooch, to show how much I like her. But she doesn't kiss me back. When it's time to go home, I still only have one friend, Baby. My human takes Baby and me back to the park the next day, and the next. I watch how friends play with each other. Now I wade in the pool with Buddy and Arrow. I don't splash. I wait till Linda wants to play tug of war with me. I am gentle with Petunia. I even let my friends play with Baby. Wow! See how popular I am now. One day, a new dog comes to the park. His name is Taco. All he does is play fetch with his human. Taco sure looks like he needs a friend. Ready or not, here I come. Hold on a second. Something's wrong. The hairs on Taco's back stand up. Taco growls and shows his teeth. I run away. Poor Baby is terrified. She insists on going home right now. After that, Baby and I won't go to the park. We never want to see Taco again. Dogs that look like Taco scare us. Even dogs on TV. It's been so long since I've seen my friends. I bet they miss me terribly. I feel awfully bad for them. Maybe I should go back. Oh, what a welcome I get! Baby and I are careful to stay far away from Taco. I play all afternoon with my friends. I am practically out of my mind with happiness. My human says it's almost time to go home. But where is Baby? Baby? Oh no, Baby is missing. I search everywhere for her. I'm nearly out of my mind with worry. You'll never guess who finds Baby. Taco! Baby was taking a mud bath. Taco drops Baby near me. That means I can pick her up. As soon as I do, Taco runs away. All my friends are calling to me. There's a game of tag. I wish Taco would play too. Maybe one day he will want to. Me? I'm ready to play now. Ready or not, here I come. The end. Thank you so much for spending some time with me reading this story. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.